The province of Ilocos Norte is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Ilocos Region or Region 1. The regional center is Laoag City. It is composed of 2 cities, 21 municipalities, and 559 barangays. Ilocos Norte is a province in the Philippines situated in the Ilocos region, occupying the northwestern section of Luzon. Ilocos Norte is bordered clockwise from the northeast by Cagayan, Apayao, Abra, Ilocos Sur, and the South China Sea. The following are the different cities and municipalities comprising Ilocos Norte. We have the municipality of Adams comprising 1 barangay, municipality of Bacara comprising 43 barangays, the municipality of Badok which is composed of 31 barangays, the municipality of Bangue composed of 14 barangays, municipality of Bana comprising 20 barangays, the city of Batak comprising 43 barangays, the municipality of Burgos comprising 11 barangays, the municipality of Carasi comprising 3 barangays, the municipality of Corimao comprising 23 barangays, the municipality of Dingras composed of 31 barangays, the municipality of Dumalneg composed of 4 barangays, the city of Laoag which also serves as the capital, the provincial capital or the provincial center which has 80 barangays, the municipality of Marcos which has 13 barangays, the municipality of Nueva Eira which is composed of 11 barangays, the municipality of Pagudpod comprising 16 barangays, the municipality of Paway which has 31 barangays, the municipality of Pasukin composed of 33 barangays, the municipality of Pidig comprising 23 barangays, the municipality of Pinili comprising 25 barangays, the municipality of San Nicolas composed of 24 barangays, the municipality of Sarat comprising 24 barangays, the municipality of Solsona comprising 22 barangays, and lastly, the municipality of Vintar comprising 33 barangays. So for the province of Ilocos Norte, there are about 559 barangays and 21 municipalities and also the 2 cities. And that is all the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Ilocos Norte. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.